did finish up the other pieces from the chrome delete. Actually looks painted in my opinion. I'll also be dropping off the TRD Pro grill since we're gonna get that wrapped. Got a few details that I want to take care of on that, so let's get that inside. But first, let me give you a quick walkthrough of the Old Faithful here. Let's go ahead and get this inside. This is what we have finished so far, and like I said, these things look like they were painted. They came out really fucking good. We're actually going to be doing this color on right here on the top. First impressions, really fucking good. Actually looks painted. Can't wait till the grill has that small detail to it. I'm sure once it's all put together, it's gonna definitely pop off and bring the truck to a whole nother level. Get an idea what it's gonna look like. All right, guys, it's been a few days. Finally got everything back from being wrapped. I went ahead and assembled the whole grill. I didn't want to go through all the details of that on this video. Came out really good, and now it's time to put this bad boy back together. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Everything is back together, from bumper, lights, grill, rear bumper panels, all that stuff. Now I still need to wire up the lights to the grill. I just don't have time today, but I will be getting to that. Probably make another video on that. If I even do, I probably won't. I'll probably just wire it up because this shit took long enough. But here it is. I'll give you guys a full walkthrough on it. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. We still got a lot more stuff that we're going to be adding.